Kung serious talaga kayo sa inyong search for work from home jobs, some of the top sites that you can go right away is jobstreet.com, LinkedIn, of course LinkedIn social media for professionals, Upwork, and monster.com. That's what I recommend right away. Even on Facebook, may mga mahanap kayong work from home jobs na nagpo-post doon. So, whether it's freelance or contractor or full-time job, it's everywhere now. And then tingnan nyo yung mga job descriptions, tingnan nyo yung mga requirements. From there, you'll know where to start. Ano yung aralin ninyo, ano yung mga dapat nyong malaman.
Let's go. Yeah.
And tulog na tulog ang baby. Say hello to my vlog, to daddy's vlog.
Hi!
So, kapag break ko, pwede akong makipaglaro sa aking mga kids. Yan sila pa, Netflix lang. This is the view of my office. Ayan, sobrang makalat. Actually, ganahin namin dati to. Tapos, yun, nung nag-work from home, kailangan ng office. So, ginawa namin siyang opisina. So, dun si Mami, dito ako. Sobrang kalat. I'm gonna give you more tips on how you too can get a remote job, which we've been enjoying for the last how many years. Started yung remote ng 2017 and it's been a blessing in disguise talaga nung pandemic na it's become full-time. So me and my wife are enjoying the benefits of it. Of course, yung no traffic, you're with your family, you can do more stuff, less stress. Of course, may mga disadvantages din siya. Katulad nung may mga bagay na it's easier to talk about important matters if you can talk to the people face-to-face, especially in sales. Even in my line of work sa digital marketing, sobrang maraming advantages din if you get to meet people in the office. Pero for me personally, sobrang na-outweigh ng pros ng work from home yung cons niya. Work from home is a privilege for a lot of people. Some jobs, realistically, hindi pwedeng work from home. Hindi pwedeng remote. That's why the first thing you really need to have is to find an industry that is yung applicable yung ganitong setup. Obviously, if you're working on a computer and an internet, ayun yung pinakang straightforward na type of jobs you can do from home. Actually, that's what I do. I teach people get digital skills, mostly doing digital sales and marketing on a platform called HubSpot. If you're in an industry na hindi applicable yung ganitong setup and you wish to transfer, then the first thing you need to do is to learn those skills. A simple Google search will give you a lot of possible options. Really matters in the beginning is that sort of mindset na, okay, I want this, I want to try this, I want to do what I can to be in that situation. To show you my setup, ito yung aking computer, aking ring light, aking PC, at ayan, I'm watching Casey Neistat. It's a dual monitor siya, yan kasi hindi pantay. Yan, naka-gaming keyboard tayo, gaming mouse, tapos UPS para pag nawala ng kuryente, buhay pa rin siya. And that's pretty much it. So nalagit yung pandemic noong 2020. I even had conversations with a lot of people like, posible ba talaga? Kaya ba talaga na yung work is maging sa bahay na? Though 2017 pa lang when I was working with Microsoft, medyo hybrid na kami. Our colleagues are in Singapore, in India. Even though may office dito sa Philippines yung Microsoft, I was at a role na pwede naman talaga siyang magawa sa bahay. Pero from time to time yun, like 2-3 days a week, nasa office pa rin kami. And then, I realized na posible pala talaga to. Like, as long as you have proper internet connection, a lot of times nasa mga cafe kami noon, sa mga Starbucks, ganyan. And then, pandemic comes, and there you go. We just realized na talaga naman palang it can be done. Medyo challenging nung una, pero it's coming to a point na yung work from home is actually, or a remote job is actually a requirements that a lot of job seekers are looking for. And it's even being used by a lot of recruiters to find the best talents kasi it's really something that's here and we have to accept that it's probably gonna be a normal thing sa buong mundo. It's not a perfect setup. It might not work for everyone. For some people, they would still prefer going into the office. A lot of ongoing debates online. We're seeing na, okay, some people think, still would prefer go to the office. Pero yesterday, galing kami ng Maynila. We attended a birthday party at we realized gano'ng ka-traffic na naman. Like, sobrang traffic na naman sa Maynila. And that alone caused a lot of stress, anxiety to people. It's those things that you can avoid having your livelihood at home. Of course, nowadays, maraming options pa yung ating mga creators like us, we're doing YouTube. So that's technically an online job, diba? Another option then is online selling natin, diba? Yung mga online business natin. Traditional business natin, then we sell our products and services online. We're in the middle of a big transition, and both me and my wife sobrang na-appreciate namin na this happens. It's not a good thing to say na blessing siya during the pandemic, but it is. Not just to us, but to a lot of people. And since siguro medyo nakaka-move on na tayo from the pandemic, and this new normal, which is remote job, it looks like something that's here to stay. We wanted to help more people to actually get the benefits of this setup as well. And as I've said, there's quite a few things that you have to do. You have to start by checking ano ba yung mga industries na pwede yung work from home. Obviously, IT, digital, most things that you do on the internet. Even yung mga online sellers natin, that's technically a business that's working from home. So there's a lot. You just have to get started and put that work into finding those industries. The next step you have to do is invest time and effort to learn the skills so you can get into that industry. I know it's easier said than done, but you gotta start somewhere. It's something that you gotta work on for yourself and for your family. And kami, on this channel, that's also another thing that we advocate for para more people will benefit from it. Ayan, ako lang nabili. Ang tagal ko na ito tinitingnan sa Lazada. It's a flexible tripod for almost 500 pesos lang. Kaya I can move around the office para naman di ako nakaupo lang sa aking desk and have some sort of variety sa ating mga shots. So I hope you like this video. If you are looking for a remote job or work from home or tips and tricks, we'll definitely talk about this in this channel more. And yeah, again, my name is Lester and thank you for watching. See you sa ating next video.